For your mind, two time for your soul is who? Back up, boy. Stop messing with my stuff. Alright? See, let me tell y'all why the message that I put across comes so abrasive to some of you. Because you're the millennial. Y'all niggas started, even some of you old school motherfuckers, started soaking in some of this millennial energy. That it could be 100% right, but you're gonna call it wrong because you're gonna fit it into your morals and your way of thinking. And they made it okay for you niggas to do that. As soon as they said, fuck God's rule, where God said man can't sleep with man and woman can't sleep with woman, that's where they started fucking up the whole motherfucking game. That's where the millennial shit popped in. Because how the fuck are you gonna go against God's rules as some of you believe it? Okay? So when I say shit nowadays, stop hitting that, I'm making my video, baby boy. When I say shit, it's too abrasive because I come from a time where it's either blue or it's not. Not, oh well, it's kind of purpley and we can live with that. Didn't I say stop that? I'm not playing with you. You think I'm playing, son? Like I say, I'm the Weezer son. I love him to death, but shit, he will get it. Stop it. Do your thing. Y'all try and make everything fit for you. So you say, oh, he's talking about Chris. He's talking about that. Nigga, that's what it is. The whole world got life fucked up. You can't say nothing if you fucking claim you're heterosexual. You're against everybody else. Man, y'all millennial motherfuckers got it so fucked up. And I'm just trying to keep the balance. So if you feel abrasive by the shit that I say, ask me that I give a fuck. Because in the millennial, you'll try and make it work for you. Well, I shouldn't offend this one and that one and this one and that one. Only reason why I don't offend some of you motherfuckers straight the fuck out is because my terms of service says, Shan, you can't say that shit on our platform. Other than that, it'll be some of you motherfuckers that'll be so mad at me like a motherfucker because of my opinions and the shit that I state. Motherfucker, only thing holding me back is the terms of fucking service. Period. Cause you millennials are too motherfucking sensitive. You're too fat, you can't talk about a fat motherfucker. If you're skinny like me, you can't talk about a skinny motherfucker. Who is this? Fly-tie. Hi. I'm making a video and shit. Give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna call you right back. You available? Hold up, wait. Let me see how that work. Nah, your number don't show up. But y'all see, that's how we get down. Y'all might think we don't fuck around, nigga. You see how the phone rang, right? Okay. Alright, I'll call you back. 2 seconds, bye. But back to you millennial motherfuckers, man. Stop fucking trying to make things fit for your life. You know what I'm saying? It is or it's not. Like I say, y'all niggas got fucked up when y'all fucking started switching God's rule. There's now churches that have the whole fucking God's rule fucked up. And y'all wanna tell me I be talking bullshit? No. That's you motherfuckers that try and make shit fit for your motherfucking life. Oh, that's not wrong anymore. One time for your mind, 2 times for your soul. It's your man Shizzle. Nothing standing between you and success but air and opportunity. Let's go get it.